Hey guys, Ebenezer Samuel, fitness director for Men's Health here. I've got a real quick 3-move tricep workout that you can do at home or at the gym. All you need, a pair of 25-pound dumbbells, a resistance band, and a bench or a chair. Let's get to it.
Let's start with that move you just saw me doing. That's 2 skull crusher reps into 2 JM press reps. We're doing 4 sets of 12 to 14 reps total. I'm doing these on a bench. You can do these on the floor. Couple ground rules here. On the skull crushers, focus on keeping your upper arms perpendicular to the ground the whole time. Only move at the elbow joint and keep a little flex in your lats. That's going to help protect your shoulders in the long run. On the JM press, remember, this is not a close grip press. Touch the head of the dumbbell to your shoulder on every rep. These are going to burn. Next up, 12 to 15 dips, 4 sets. On each of these dip reps, as soon as your upper arms are parallel to the ground, I want you to stop, freeze for 1 second, and then explode back up. If you can't do full dips, you can also do these on a bench. However you do these, that low position, do not let it be lazy. This is your chance to really reinforce and teach your body good dip form. When you're in that position, squeeze your shoulder blades together. Try to squeeze your elbows together. Really open up those shoulders, and then when you explode up, squeeze your tries. We're going to finish things off with 3 sets of a pretty nasty kneeling resistance band press down game. Rules of the game: you're going to do 1 rep followed by a 1-second freeze rep on the bottom, 2 reps, a 2-second freeze rep, 3 reps, a 3-second freeze rep. Basically keep doing that until you can't do any more and your tries are cooked. The thing I want you to do, focus on really good form. Focus on only moving at that elbow joint. Don't lean in with your torso, and really squeeze your tries against that resistance band on every rep.
Check for the link in the description below.